Do you want to know everything about video editing? Then I'm glad to tell you that this video is loaded with lots of presentation slides on what you are expected to know about video editing. I'm going to be showing you how amazing professional videos are made using just a smartphone, how to record professional voiceovers, and how to monetize these skills. You will be learning everything in this video. You are welcome. You are welcome once more, and without further ado, let us dive right in. Discussion outline. We are going to be talking about a lot of things, and these are the discussion outline: introduction, the type of video format, meaning of XD, HD, 2K, 4K, and UHD, benefits of high quality videos, benefits of videos. They are two different things. Benefits of high quality videos, benefits of videos. What can you use videos for? Is a question. Benefit of smartphone video creation and why you must be a part of it. And please, before I forget, if you are not with a pen and a jotter, please quickly pause this video, get a pen and a jotter to enable you jot down some things I'm going to be saying, because not everything that I know upstairs that I put down in this video. So there are some that I'm going to be saying verbally. Immediately I say it, you pen it down to enable you understand what I'm saying. So let's continue. Let's move forward. Alright, so my name is Olurafe Oche. I am a certified motion graphic artist and a graphic designer. So this is my brand name, brand concept, RC, and my slogan, or you can call it motto is learn, earn, and teach others. So I want this presentation to be extremely very short and brief, but yet understandable, and it will explain everything you want to know about video editing. So the type of video format, although there are other forms of video format, but this is the most common one you would see, you will encounter while you are editing videos. So we have the standard definition, which is the SD. We have high definition, which is the HD. We have quad high definition 2K, ultra high definition, which is the UHD, and 5K, which is number 5, which is 4K. We have the last one, which is 8K. We're not going to be discussing that here. So I brought in this picture because I want to explain the difference in standard definition and high definition. Standard definition is between from 480 to 720, while that of the high definition is from 720 to 110 to 1080 pixels. So if you even see physically, as you are viewing this now, you will see that the standard definition colors are not sharp, they are not bright, they are somewhat dull. You understand? But when you see that of the high definition image here, sorry, not video, image here, the colors are brighter, the colors came out well, and they are appealing to the eyes. You understand? So that's the difference. The other slide will also explain to you more. You can see the sun. The sun is coming out. The color of the sun came out perfectly well, and that of the water came out. The evening shade, light, and everything came out well in the high definition image here, but it didn't come out in that of the XD. So that's the difference. The high definition is higher than the XD. I hope you're understanding me. Yes, sir. So let's move forward. All right. I want to explain more the difference in resolution and pixels of videos. So we all know the type of video formats. So the resolution is just the frame rate of a video. You understand? Yes, frame rate of a video and the wideness of the video, like let me just say the borders of a video. You understand? So standard definition, it starts from 480 to 720. You understand? It starts from 480 to 720 resolution, or you can call it pixels resolution or format. That of the high definition starts from 720 to 1280. Forget that the higher numbers are coming up first. It starts from 720 to the highest, which is 1080. You understand? And it has an aspect ratio of 16:9. Don't worry, in my subsequent video I'm going to be talking more about this aspect ratio. But aspect ratio, if you are a YouTuber, you understand what I'm saying, or if you are an editor, the ratio deals more with the wideness of your video. You understand? There are some videos you will see they are very small in looking. Even if you put them in full screen on your phone, they will be showing tiny. That is because the aspect ratio you used was very, very small in creating it, so you can't change it. So we have when you move down to the last one, ultra high definition video format, we start from 7680 pixels to 430 pixels. You understand? So let's go forward. But before then, I'm going to show you some videos for you to watch so that you will understand what I am saying better, because this is a practical class, so you have to understand what I'm saying better on video creation.
As we go about our day-to-day activities, that is how video content will continue to dominate the online market. Over 86% of big brands, physical product owners, affiliate marketers, and social media experts prefer using videos as a marketing tool. The truth is, the high demand for video creators or editors will continue to increase as the internet and social media will continue to dominate different sections of our day-to-day business activities. Yes, as a freelancer, entrepreneur, digital marketer, or an individual, I strongly recommend you learn the video editing skills. Introducing the smartphone video editing mastery course, where you will get to learn how to create captivating and appealing high digital videos that you can use to pass any message online. This is a rare chance for you to be skilled and create magic online with your smartphone. Click on the learn more button right now for more information.
Alright, benefits of videos. These are even just explanatory. Video boosts conversions and sales. Yes, boost conversion and sales. If you present to me a banner or a leaflet of your business, and another person presents to me a video clip on my DM, he sends me to my DM introducing his business to me and telling me what he does, and I'm seeing it physically inside the phone online. I'm seeing the product have life in it. You know, I will be more happier and freer to go for that of the video, the one I saw on the video, than the one I saw on the flyer, because any person can manipulate anything and put in the flyer. You understand? So video boosts conversion. It skyrockets conversion. It makes conversion faster. It makes you to convince your customer to buy from you quickly than any other form of marketing. Video builds trust. Yes, if you see the product you want to buy, even sometimes when you want to make Weibi from a place, you would want to speak with the person you are making Weibi with. Yes, Some people will even go to the extent of, I want to make video call to see what I am ordering from you, so that it will not become what I ordered versus what I got. Hope you're understanding me. So video build trust. It builds trust. It helps to build trust within brands. You understand? So the third one is Google loves videos. Yes. If you become a video editor, or if you are aspiring to become a video editor, you are going to thrive online, because Google loves videos, and the more you create video content, the more Google will keep recommending your content, and the more cash you will make. A lot of my students are a testimony to that, and even I myself am a testimony, because the more you create videos for people and post on your status, not even only because Google loves videos, majority of the social media platforms we have now, all of them loves videos. Is it Instagram? Instagram deals more with videos. Is it YouTube? YouTube deals more with a lot of videos and even a lot of lengthy text and flyers. Is it Facebook? Facebook, in fact, people are into content creation on Facebook, comedy shows, vlogs, and all those things, you understand? And Facebook and all those social media platforms, they love video creation a lot. Video editors, they love motion graphic artists and people who create videos and engage people on their platform. So I would advise you, if you are having double mind of not becoming a video editor, please rethink and come back to did I say your no, if I say your this will be like an so come rethink and have a change of heart, so that you will not be saying, had I known. You understand? So the fourth one is video appeals to smartphone users. Yes, if you check about 90, if you check, or if you would observe it, about 90% of smartphone users, the major data or files on their phones are videos. They love to watch video, comedy videos, and laugh, save on their storage and all stuff like that. So smartphone appeals to smartphone users. Video marketing can explain everything. Yes, video marketing explains. In fact, there are some kind of sales video I've watched of products like skincare products. They don't even have to talk, they just they just have to bring out the skincare product and add motion to it, and you see people are patronizing because they see the product in action. So video can engage even the laziest buyer. Yes, people nowadays, they don't even like reading lengthy text about product description, advertisement, like flyer and all those things. They prefer you putting it in video that will instigate that desire in them to buy from you. So first of all, you have to grab their attention with your hook in the video, and you leave the rest to the manipulation and animation of the video to take over. So let's move forward. Yeah, this is the question. I asked the question in the discussion in my agenda here. What can you use videos for? And I will tell you that there is nothing you cannot use video for. Is it wedding anniversary? You can also bring in a videographer to video the event for you and turn it into a movie. Is it birthday celebration? In fact, a lot of ladies does it. Is he even engaged? If you want to propose to your proposed wife or your wife to be, if you want somebody to video and make videos out of it, you can do it. So I don't know what, I have not seen, like I have not heard what you cannot use videos for, what you cannot make using videos. So I might not put in the English way. What you cannot video. Yes, what can you not video? I don't think there's anything you cannot video and turn into a video. You understand me? To be confusing, Sean. Yeah, I wrote something. Do you know what they call the KLT formula? Yeah, the KLT formula simply means know, like, and trust. So if you have these three formulas in your hand, you will first of all make your customer know you. You will make your client like you, and you will make them trust you. And when you know this, if you become a video editor, you are going to thrive higher in your video editing mastery. So let's go forward. Benefits of smartphone video creation. Benefits of videos. Benefits of high quality videos, I mean to say, That was the other slide I just jumped. These are the benefits of high quality videos. Sorry, it should be benefits of high quality videos, not benefits of videos. So those are the benefits of high quality videos. Alright, so let's go to this. Benefits of smartphone video creation and why you must be a part of it. Yes, one of it is because it's a shiny collar job. You don't have to go out physically to soil yourself in the dust, in the sun. All you have to do, you have to have a good internet connection. You just have to sit under a roof that will be comfortable for you, that will be in a cool temperature, and you just with your pen and your brain at work, you can just create. It's more with creativity, you understand. You just have to be creative, think outside the box, and you'll be earning your money in the cool and steady way without being broke, you understand. So people are entering into online skill in this generation more than going to work physically. In fact, I remember when I was working as under a company, I was working 7 hours a day and I was collecting peanuts of what I was doing. Then it was then I came across all these advertisements to join the class of motion graphic artists, and then I joined, and from there I fell in love with all this creation of things. And since then, in fact, right now I'm a student. When I was recording the video, I'm a student in one of the universities in Nigeria, and I'm schooling, and I'm still multitasking myself because I have a lot of clients who bring jobs to me, you understand. So as a video editor, there is no way you will be stranded. If you're serious and you like the job you're doing, there's no way you'll be short in income. So it's a shiny collar job. It is remote. You can browse that on your dictionary. It is easy and fun. That is the third one. Yes. Video editing is very high. There is fun in it. All the videos I showed you that you watched earlier, you see how I was talking at the background, the voice acting. You see the promotional videos I made for the cake brand, that smartphone I made, and you know, it speaks a lot of volume, you understand. You creating that and you sit down, you watch, you rewatch, that joy will be stingy. You will say, "Car, so I can think out of the voices way to create something like this," you understand. So it's have a lot of fun. Me, I call video editing like playing with my smartphone, because it is what I like that I create. It is what I think and I create. And when I create, in fact, it even takes me sometimes 2 weeks for me to come up with some of the ideas of the videos I've created, and people will see it and say, "Wow, this guy is really good at his job." So there are many benefits of smartphone video creation, and the most interesting part of it I want you to know is that you can start using only your smartphone. In fact, it doesn't even require you to use an iPhone or Samsung or Techno or the latest kind of phone. All you have to do is to just have a smartphone that can connect to the internet, and boom, you will be the most sought after editor. So I'm going to be explaining more subsequently in my other videos, because I don't want this video to be extremely long. So thank you for watching. If you are not subscribed to my channel, please do. And please, if you don't understand some things I explained in this video, please go over it again. If you don't understand, you can reach me on WhatsApp. This is my number showing on the screen, or you can just leave a comment below so that I will come, so that as you ask now, instead of another person coming to ask me directly in my DM, I will just answer you here and the other person will see. So if you want to ask any question, please check the comments in case somebody must have asked and I must have replied, so that I will not be replying close to 10 messages that are the same. So thank you once more, and I remain Raphael Oche, a motion graphic artist and the CEO and the founder of Rap Concepts, where people learn, where they earn, and they teach others to earn more. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my other videos.